Hello children. In the unit 10th oscillation, we have the topic that is time period of oscillation of a body attached with the two springs in series combination. Let us consider two springs S1 and S2 connected in series combination. K1 is spring constant of S1, K2 is spring constant of S2. Let a body of mass m is attached with two springs. Let the force is applied. Due to this force, displacement in the spring S1 is x1 and the displacement in the spring S2 is x2. Now for the spring S1, according to Hooke's law, we can write F1 minus K1 x1 multiply by K2 both sides. So it is F1 K2 minus K1 K2 x1, equation number first. For spring S2, we can write F2 minus K2 x2 according to Hooke's law. Here F2 is restoring force in the spring S2. Multiply by K1 both sides. F2 K1 minus K1 K2 x2, equation number second. Total restoring force and is given by adding first and second. F1 K2 plus F2 K1 minus K1 K2 x1 minus K1 K2 x2 minus K1 K2 common, we can write x1 plus x2 let's we suppose that restoring force in both the spring is equal. This is equal to F and the total displacement is x1 plus x2, this is equal to x. So we can put in equation number third. So we can write Fk2 plus Fk1 minus K1 K2 into x. We can take out F common. So F K2 plus K1 minus K1 K2x, we can write F is equal to minus K1 K2 by K1 plus K2 into x. Equation number fourth. Let A is acceleration produced in mass m. So we can write F is equal to ma. Equation number fifth. From fourth and fifth we can write ma is equal to minus K1 K2 by K1 plus K2 into x. Now we can write A is equal to minus K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2 into m into x. Let K1 K2 upon k1 plus k2 into m is constant. Because k1, k2 spring constant, m is mass, it is constant. So we can say A directly proportional to minus x. Acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement. Negative sign shows their direction is opposite. So motion is simple harmonic motion. If the motion is simple harmonic motion, we can calculate the time period t is equal to 2 pi under root x by mod A. 2 pi under root x by mod A, that is k1 k2 x by k1 plus k2 into m. So we can write t is equal to 2 pi, it will be cancelled, m k1 plus k2 divided by k1 k2. This is relation for the time period of oscillation of a body attached with two springs in series combination. Case, let spring constant of both the spring is equal. It means material is of same nature. So we can write t is equal to 2 pi under root m k plus k into k. T is equal to 2 pi under root 2k upon k square. Cancelled. So t is equal to 2 pi under root 2m by k.